This might be the most satisfying fur removal ever.
This, it's coming off in a full sheet. Oh, Figgy. Wow, big. Hold on. This might be a record. You guys see how it like just attaches from, oh, hang on, my record, hold on. Oh man, be nice. Just detaches from the follicle. Let's see. Wow, one big sheet is a great one. Good job. What about on this side? You can see these are the hairs that are still attached. This is just undercoat. Some of this, like these, are his top coat, which are like protective hairs. So when I pull this, I can't pull any of these little guard hairs because obviously these are still attached. So it helps to like kind of dig under there. Like this is all one sheet and I can dig all the way under there and just kind of detach the dead coat that's coming off. He really likes this. Do you see how it's coming out around all of these guard hairs? Sometimes I have to go and get a tool. You guys hear that bird, right? A tool.